So now we will learn the question, wie heißt du? Do you know, or can you guess what this means?
Yeah, I think it's called, what are you called?
Yes.
What's your name, actually?
Yes, exactly. So in German we say, wie heißt du? And which form is that? If you look at the list.
Heißt.
So,
It's the second form.
Yes, it's the second form. And wie means how, actually. So actually, literally translated, it is like, how are you called? Right, but I think in English nobody would say that. You would say, what's your name?
Yes.
Okay, but in German we say, wie heißt du? And now we will conjugate that again, but I give you one tip. So here we have learned in the alphabet. We have learned in the alphabet that this is called the sharp S. So sharpest S. So it's a special kind of S. And when we have that here, then we don't change it to ST. We will keep it as a sharpest S. So I will do the first one and you continue then. So I will say, ich heiße. So we remove en and then we add e. And you continue?
I have one question. So what's the difference between a simple S and a sharp S?
The pronunciation is the difference. So when you have this kind of S, then you will say s. I'm not sure, can you hear that in the recording?
I can hear it today.
Okay, good.
Yeah, last time I couldn't hear.
Yes, sorry to my audience. I know in the last recording for lesson 1, the pronunciation from my recording was not so clear. So this letter is called S, and it's called scharfes S. And we also say SZ. So you can say scharfes S or SZ. Right? Let's go quickly to the alphabet. So it's this one here. So it's SZ or scharfes S. Okay, so the difference is just the pronunciation. So S, the normal S is like, I always say it's like B, like Z, and this one here is S, like a snake. Okay, so here you will say ich heiße.
Ich heiße.
Very good. And you can continue with the conjunctions.
Okay, the next one. Du heißt.
Yes.
And the same for ihr heißt.
Yes, very good. So here we have exactly the same because we don't change it into S here. So we will keep the sharp.
Sharp S. Okay. Next one. We'll use the same heißt.
Yes.
Ihr heißt, sie heißt, es heißt.
Okay, correct.
Next one. Wir heißen.
Yes. Next one.
Next one. Sie heißen and also sie heißen.
Okay. And I should say one thing. Most foreigner, they do this kind of conjunctions wrong. So when you hear them, they mix them in a wrong way, and you directly know. A lot of foreigners, they don't have any accent. They sound totally fine, but they do mistakes with conjunctions. So this is a very important part, because if you learn these rules here for the endings, then you can conjunct most verbs. There are some irregular verbs where you have to do it a bit differently, but in most cases you have regular verbs and you use this kind of ending here. So this is very important after the class. Also repeat it again, and also for the people who watch this now, practice this. Do it again and again, and use some other verbs and do the ending and just conjunct them.